Sunday, the 16th of June, 2024, Father's Day. It is almost 1 o'clock, about 90 degrees, 75% humidity. We're going to go down here and check on those pretty-faced cats, those gray and white cats. We're going to just, if the gate's open, we'll cruise through that vacant Amazon facility. Been vacant a year and a half or so. They built it and then never moved in. I think they're trying to sell it, but I don't really know the whole story behind it. We'll check on the cats. We may get some fish bait. See if we might catch something. I'd like to do some more video with the zip code 33. Now here's that Amazon place. I have drone video of this, and I have video driving through the lot and stuff. I don't want to do anything we're not supposed to do, but there's no sign on it. Truck entrance, Amazon. There's no gate, no chain. There's a cable that was there. Why don't we just get out and get a video showing it, then we'll go down the hill and check the cats. Okay, this is 3rd Army Road. To the right is US 41. To the left is Georgia Highway 293, and it used to be old, or it is old, 41. And that would be back in the 40s before they 4-lane 41. You know, I don't know if there's any point in buying bait or not. It's the middle of the day. It's sort of crazy to be fishing in the middle of the day with it hot like this, isn't it? I think we'll wait. If we fish, we find some bait at a Walmart or something other somewhere. Let's see if we see the kitty cats. Kitty, 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 kitty. Boy, that was a pretty. I think that's one of them right there. No, that's trash. That's just trash. It's not a cat. And I talked to the people in here. They feed them, take care of them. I don't know how many there are. I saw a black one and two white and gray ones, and she said the black one belonged to a person that worked here. Not to take the black one, but you can take the other two. Yeah, they've got food out there, so I'm sure they're in a nice shady spot somewhere. We'll go here. We're going to turn left on 293, which will take us into Emerson. To the right would take us back to Ackworth. We'll go by We'll go by Lake Point Sports. I tell you, traffic is something else. Okay, let's turn this one off. I'll turn right and then we'll go down and turn around. The Ackworth chapter, I guess it is, of the Outlaws is right here on the right. Outlaws of Ackworth, right there on the right. I know nothing about them. I just thought that'd be a point of interest. Altoona right straight ahead. Gas is $3.29.9 here. We got it this morning in Jefferson for $3.23. Up around Rome, it gets down. Well, Rome is about $3.20, still about $3.23, but up around Calhoun, it was about $3.07. Traffic. Georgia's full. Just wait till you see Lake Point Sports. Let's cut it off. We'll turn it back on when we get to Lake Point. Yeah, folks, Cobb County is full. 41. If you go back to 41 there at Highway 92 and you go south, it is packed all the way through Marietta. Georgia's full. Oconee County is being ruined with influx. People move to these outlying counties to get away from the garbage they've created. As soon as they get there, then they want this restaurant, they want that restaurant, they want an aquatic center, or they want a park, or they vote for SPLOST so that they can have more sidewalks for more people. And before you know it, they've turned it into exactly what they left. And they've ruined another place. We human beings are no better. We actually were the same thing. We are a parasite on this earth. That ought to get some reaction. Pumpkin Vine Creek there to our left. Be coming up on Lake Point Sports. Multifamily, single family. They've been cutting into that hill for a year and a half, and they're still cutting into it. Look at all the cars over here. Little Emerson, Georgia. This place is packed. Up here is packed. I think they've got about, I don't know how many basketball courts over there. I wonder why that's empty over there today. Yeah, all up the hill up there. All across when we cross over Altoona. Up here, coming up on Altoona. We won't go through Emerson, we'll cross over. And more developments all up here on the left. The varsity, it took forever for this varsity to get open. Altoona Pass Battlefield is to the right. This is exit 283 on I-75, Old Altoona Road. We're going to go over and we'll get video of the racetrack, then we'll wrap this one up and start uploading it. And the next intersection we come to will be Old Alabama Extension or Red Top Mountain Road. Putting a new racetrack there. It's going to be a truck racetrack, truck stop racetrack. what they're making. It's a huge cutout. They've been cutting out of here for I don't know how long now, too. I don't know if it's more logistics centers. Georgia's full. Go away. All of that equipment. Stop, big settlement, whatever and Associates. There's 75s right down the hill to our right. 41 is to the left. We're in between. Did I say 42? If I did, I meant 41. You can see over there to the left. We'll go by it. They've been cutting that hill down. I don't know what's going in there. And this is all over Georgia. This isn't restricted to the I-75 corridor headed north. Going up 85 into South Carolina. 16 going into Savannah. 20 going over to Alabama. 20 and 85. Do a U-turn here for the racetrack. Let y'all see it. It's getting ready. Like I say, to the left is going to be 4-lane all the way to Rockmart. Traffic. We can't even get out to the right. Take you straight over to Red Top Mountain State Park there. As I say, if you go straight here, they haven't completed it, but they're working on it. It's going to be 4-lane all the way to Rockmart. That's going to give you a 4-lane all the way from 75 to Rockmart, right past the Cartersville Airport. They already take some pretty good sized jets there. This is US 41. To the left is back towards Atlanta through Marietta, and on to the right takes you all the way up to Chattanooga and on up. I think it said goes up to Michigan, to the peninsula of Michigan. We're going to catch this a little bit where they're cutting this big hill in here, cutting into this big hill there on the left. There again, I don't know what it is, but it's another huge development. I don't know what they're doing down here, road work. Dirt for sale. They got plenty of it there too. There is still a lot of mining done up here in this part of Georgia. I don't know what this is about. Nothing's going on. Well, they got blue light special down here. Again, nothing going on that I can see. Cartersville police. I didn't know this was Cartersville city limits here. this stretch of 41, you'll have Georgia State Patrol. Obviously, I guess now you've got Cartersville, you have Emerson. More development, more logistics centers there. Now, if you turn right here, it takes you down to the powerhouse, that Altoona Lake Dam, Lake Altoona Dam, whatever you want to call it. You've got Winding Waters, I think it's Winding Waters, RV Resort down here on the right. It's going to be a real nice resort. RV resort. Now he's lucky that there's not that some of these law enforcement aren't sitting on the road here. If you turn right up here and go down, you go to the Pig Iron Furnace. I guess we'll go down there and just let you see the well, y'all saw the Altoona River. I mean Etowah River. Let's go ahead and turn this off. We're going to get it loaded and have it uploading.